Hello everyone, welcome back to Skint Living UK. My name's Kathy and I live in Liverpool in the northwest of England. Today I'm making a meal for £1 or less. And what is it? It's bean hot pot. So what do you need? You need a couple of potatoes, sliced, peeled obviously, and left in a cold dish of water to get rid of most of the starch. Some garlic, fresh or dried. 2 tins of baked beans. You can sieve the juice out if you want, but I always leave it in. And a tin of chopped tomatoes. Also, some onion. It could be a small or large one, depending on how much onion you like. And some grated carrot, which is great for kids who don't like the veggies. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've got 2 Pyrex dishes here. So I'm going to put a tin of beans in each one. 1, 2. At the moment they're about 27 pence, 28 pence in Asda and Aldi. And I'm going to add a tin of chopped tomatoes. These are currently 35 pence in Asda, 35 pence in Aldi. So I'm going to put half a tin in that one, half a tin in that one. Okay, what next? Okay, we're going to add some onion to each one. You don't have to have onion, it's optional because some people aren't fussed on onions, are they? And carrot. So I've grated mine, you could just have it sliced and diced. I tend to grate it so it hides it, so my son's more likely to eat it. Even though he's 21, he's still... it's not that fussed on veggies. Okay, and then I've got to open the bottle. Some garlic, fresh or dried. I tend to have dried on hand, so if there's no fresh or they're not fresh, is looking a bit dodgy in the shops because of Brexit these days. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. So it's beans, baked beans, tin tomatoes, bit of garlic, bit of onion, and some carrot. You can leave the carrot out if you want, you can leave the onion out if you want. Okay. So this plain one at the back I'm going to leave, that's my son's one because he doesn't like any extra bits. Whereas I like some extra bits, so I'm going to put some extra garlic in because I'm a bit garlic mad. Also, as an optional extra, I've got some mushrooms that I've just sliced up. There's 3 or 4 mushrooms there, just chopped up. You don't have to have the mushrooms, I just think it gives it a meaty texture. As the advert used to say in the 70s, make room for the mushroom. So that's what I'm doing. And if you've got, this is just 1 slice of bacon, totally optional. I just thought, well, I've got 1 piece left, what can I do with it? Let's throw it in here. Okay. So that one's got beans, half a tin of chopped tomatoes, some onion and some carrot, and a dash of garlic. This is our bacon and mushrooms added to it. Okay, if you like things spicy, which I do, I'm going to add some paprika. I love me a bit of paprika. Okay, I'll put a little dash in my son's one because he won't know. Okay, and then what you do, you put the potatoes on top. So the potatoes, when they cook, the bottom layer will be all soft and smushy, and the top ones will be lovely and crispy. I'll take this out the way. Okay, so here we go. So my one's got mushrooms and bacon, this one hasn't, so you can be vegetarian without the bacon. With the bacon, there you go. And now we're going to put the slices of potatoes on top, just to cover everything. And if you want, on the top you can do a little drizzle of oil, any oil will do, or some knobs of butter. So baked bean hot pot, beans, chopped tomatoes, onion if you want, carrots if you want, and a dash of garlic. There you go, that's what they look like done. So I've got some knobs of butter here because I like a bit of butter. That'll help add flavour and give your potatoes a bit of colour. Okay, so I'm going to put these in the oven. Gas 6 or 180 if you've got a fan, or 200 if you haven't got a fan or don't want the fan on. Okay, and in my oven, I use the top oven so it uses less energy. I've got a couple of apple crumbles there, so you can look up at my recipe for crumble, and I've got a separate recipe for homemade custard. So there you go, baked bean hot pot, and that will take about 45-50 minutes. So get your money's worth out of the energy you're using in the oven, put something else in, and that's why I've got crumble. So I just think, well, I might as well use it. So baked bean crumble, hot pot and apple crumble, yum yum yum. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments below.